The major planets can be regarded essentially as rotating fluid spheres, which are heated from within. In the laboratory, this is simulated by a rotating sphere assembly. When instability is induced, long, thin columns are formed in a series of ever larger shells or layers. The layers create wind flows moving at different speeds, and the tips of the columns form the familiar bands of Jupiter's clouds. If this is what happens, and there are competing theories, it could change our understanding of weather systems on these giant planets. Jupiter and Saturn have dozens of storm systems. On Jupiter, the white ovals are smaller versions of the Great Red Spot. The red spot is larger than several Earths and rotates in 6 days. This violent storm has existed for at least 300 years. Its center is quiet, but the outer rim seizes clouds and smaller storms and whips them around the edge of the spot. A series of blue filter photographs assembled to form a movie of the red spot enabled scientists for the first time in centuries of observation to study the storm's motion in detail. Saturn's atmosphere appears similar to Jupiter's, with alternating dark belts and bright zones, alive with eddies that swirl and dissipate their energy into atmospheric circulation. It is the summer of 1981. As Voyager 2 flies behind Saturn out of sight of the tracking stations on Earth for 2.5 hours, the movable camera platform jams and stops. When the spacecraft appears from behind Saturn, it is programmed to again transmit photographs. But in place of images, only blank frames are displayed on the monitors. The platform is obviously not pointed where it should be.
It's not there.
All the instruments on the platform are put into a standby mode, and project engineers begin to analyze the problem.
I lifted these slew end times out of the SO. Okay, slew end time.
Thing was supposed to scan.
2 days later, engineers find that with care, the platform can again be commanded to move. Despite the fact that Voyager is 1 billion miles from Earth, engineers are able to pinpoint its problem and successfully restore the platform to use. An image reappears on the monitor screen, and the final photographs of Saturn and its rings are sent to Earth.
There's a shadow across the thing. Oh, yeah. Ellis has drawn what you should be seeing.
The frame's upside down.
August 1981. Voyager 2 recedes from Saturn on its journey to Uranus and beyond. The recent discovery of 9 rings encircling Uranus and its 5 known moons hold the promise of fresh discoveries. And in 4 more years, Voyager 2 will reach that planet. Three years later, it will reach the 8th planet, Neptune, and its great moon, Triton. Meanwhile, Voyager 1 will continue its flight, searching for the unknown edge of the influence of the sun, where interstellar space begins and our sun is just another star in the sky.